Hello, it's Barry from Streamline. Just wanted to show you this vehicle which is going out to a customer today. It's the Nissan ENV 200. So this customer purchased the van second hand. We have removed all the ply lining and the ply floor and installed the waterproof Line-X flooring, so it's all waterproof, and then the internal poly lining kit, so it's plastic, all wiped down, nothing rots, so makes your van looking smart and neat and tidy for a lot longer period of time. This particular customer went for the Eco 375 DI system. Beauty with this system in the electric vans is that the fixing frame goes around 4 sides of the tank, therefore allowing multiple fixing points to get a solid professional fixing without clashing with the battery, which is underneath the floor. So that's a great feature on that. This particular customer went for the additional TDS meter. So you've got the in and the out of the DI, so you can see what the water TDS is doing at any point. Went for the 100-meter hose reel with the 6mm high-vis hose, and then also this customer went for through the floor roller kit, so that you can actually operate the hose via the internal hose reel when the van is closed and locked. This is also connected into the split charge relay system, so this system battery will be charged at the same time as the van battery will be, so one charging point is charging your van and your system. Pole racks, stainless steel pole racks across here, very nice and neat and tidy. It's turned out a very lovely install. And then around the side here, if I just show you around here, we have a reasonable bit of space in there as well behind the bulkhead for any other equipment, gutter vacs, etc. that you may have. So, hope that's helpful. If you have any requirements yourself, similar vans like this, please give us a shout. We'll look forward to hearing from you and working with you with your requirements.